Apple's foldable iPad is on pause. What does the future hold? As of Wednesday, July 2025, Apple seems to have put a major pause on developing a larger foldable iPad, while still continuing its efforts on a foldable iPhone, according to reports from Digitimes. There has been some speculation about Apple's ambition to create a notebook-sized foldable device. Some tech enthusiasts have speculated that this could be a foldable iPad, while others suggest it could be an innovative all-display MacBook. Either way, for now, Apple's focus remains on perfecting the foldable iPhone. What has led to this temporary pause on the foldable iPad? The reasons seem to include challenges in manufacturing, higher costs related to foldable display technologies, and more moderate consumer interest in larger foldable devices. If Digitime's information holds true, Apple's decision isn't necessarily permanent. The technology available today could still evolve, and a foldable iPad or MacBook could be reintroduced in the future when these screens become more cost-effective and accessible. Originally rumored to have an impressive expansive 18.8 to 20.2 inch screen size, this folding device was also expected to feature OLED technology and a displays foldable without visible creases. Speculations about its launch timeline have varied anywhere from 2026 to potentially 2028, but it looks like we'll need to wait even longer. On the other hand, Apple's foldable iPhone is set to make its debut next year, likely alongside the iPhone 18 Pro models. Now, let's stir the discussion. Could Apple's decision to hold off on a foldable iPad be a strategic move to avoid premature investment, waiting for the technology's prices to drop? Or could it indicate that Apple's reserving this innovation for a future lineup with groundbreaking features? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you believe Apple's foldable plans will set new standards? Or is this a missed opportunity? Feel free to jump into the conversation below.